Hello and welcome back to The Oily Life. If you're new here, my name is Tanya, and on my channel I like to share all things natural living, essential oils, natural DIYs, and also some glimpses into my natural bath and body business called The Oily Life. So today I'm going to be sharing my June recipe box from Simply Earth. If you're not familiar with Simply Earth, they are an essential oil company. They have great essential oils, pure, they're tested. They also give back in ways to giving part of the proceeds to help fight human trafficking. So they're just a really good essential oil company. They've been around a while. And they also keep the cost at an affordable level. That way everyone can have the opportunity to use these amazing oils. So they have a monthly subscription box, a recipe box that you can sign up for, or you can buy the boxes individually, whichever way you prefer. But this is the June box. I do get it on a subscription, and just thought I would share what came in the box this month. So you typically get 4 oils in every box, and it's under $50, so it's a great price because along with the oils you also get recipes as well as some supplies to make the recipes. With your first purchase of a recipe box, you also get what they call their big bonus box, and that has a bunch of other things that you can use for these recipes as well, like coconut oil, beeswax, some bottles, things like that. That way you have everything you need to kind of get started making recipes. But we're going to talk about the oils first. The first one is peppermint. I am a huge fan of peppermint and think this is an oil that everyone should have in their house because it does so many things besides smelling amazing. I go through a lot of it around Christmas time. You know, it's a popular scent that time of year, but it also has a lot of other great uses that you can use it for during the year. Peppermint is great for digestion, so if you have an upset stomach or you kind of get car sick, anything like that, just take a little whiff out of the bottle of peppermint and that can kind of help settle things down. Peppermint is also a deterrent for things like ants. So if you put a few drops out on your counter, it kind of messes with their senses and tracking systems, so that'll help keep ants away. It is good for seasonal discomfort. So, you know, if you're someone who, like me, pollen is not your best friend, peppermint is a great oil for that, either diffusing it or rolling it on. Peppermint is also great for focus, so if you're kind of feeling kind of brain foggy on a certain day and just kind of need some help dialing in and focusing on what you're doing, peppermint is great for that also. Then next is clove. Clove is an amazing essential oil. A lot of people associate clove with fall scents and winter scents, but it also has a lot of other great benefits to it. Clove is also great for digestion. It's great for immune support, cleansing, so anything you need to clean, it's a great oil for that. It just has a lot of good cleansing properties, antimicrobial, antibacterial properties, so it has a wide range of uses. Clove is used in a lot of products that are out on the market. Sometimes clove will be used to help with dental pain. It is sometimes used in other dental products. It is also used as like in weed killer products. It's and to keep bugs away. So wide range of benefits for cloves, so this is a great one to have on hand as well. And then next is anise or anise. I don't really know which way you pronounce it. I usually say anise, but then it might be star anise. I don't know. If you know, leave it down in the description box or down in the comments to let us know how it should be pronounced. I kind of go back and forth, but who knows? But basically this oil, anise, smells like licorice. It can help with support your joints. It can help with digestion. It's not an overpowering licorice scent. I use this in a lot of the products I make. So I do an essential oil blend of anise, lavender, patchouli, and orange for some of my soaps. And just, you know, anise and tea tree is also a great combination for soaps. So great essential oil. Besides being good for digestion and joint support, it can also support healthy circulation. So lots of different things you can use this oil for. Then the fourth oil is a blend, and typically that's how I've seen the boxes go. You usually get 3 single oils and then a blend. The blend this month is called Fit, and just like the oil says, it has properties to help you just be in your best shape and get you to any fitness goals that you may be trying to reach. It has spearmint in it, it has grapefruit, it has lavender, so very nice scent, great for diffusing. It can help just promote healthy eating by helping curb your appetite, as well as, you know, kind of heading off any emotional eating that you may be doing, like I think we all do at different times. So that's kind of the different benefits of this oil, plus like I said, it just smells amazing. And then as far as the recipes in this month's box, they're all kind of aimed at different ways you can diffuse. So other than using like a traditional diffuser, there is one diffuser blend in here, but the other methods are more passive methods of diffusing. So if you don't have a diffuser, or it's for a space that doesn't have an outlet or something like that, these are great options that you can try. The first one is a reed diffuser. They send you the some cute little reed flowers, as well as everything you need to make it. I actually made this and shared it in a short last week, so this is kind of what it turned out like. I will say, like you'll notice in my reed diffuser, I did the water was cloudy. That did clear up some after 24 hours. I think I just needed to mix it better, quite honestly. So it turns out super cute, and it does a great job of scenting my small bathroom that I have it in. Then for the next recipe, it's a diffuser blend using the peppermint, anise, and clove essential oils. This diffuser blend would be great for any time of year. So great for fall, winter months, because it's got kind of a warm and spicy scent, but a little cooling with the peppermint. Or, you know, if you love those kind of peppermint and warm spicy scents, it would be a great one to diffuse year round. Then next they give you a recipe for a potpourri bark, and this is basically a beeswax room scent, or you could use it to put in like your drawer or in your closet to kind of keep that smelling fresh. So it just uses beeswax. You can add in some different dried flowers if you want to kind of pretty it up a little bit, but you can leave those out also and just do the beeswax and the essential oils, and it'll do a good job of scenting a small space, like either a closet or a drawer, something like that. Then next is a perfume blend. They call it the Almond Joy Roll-On, and it uses fractionated coconut oil, which has a little bit of a coconut scent. Then it uses anise and the Fit blend for just kind of a fun perfume blend. I love Almond Joys. I don't know if you're a coconut fan, but excited to try this and see if it actually smells like Almond Joys. And then there's a recipe for a gel air freshener using gelatin and essential oils. You basically will put it in a jar with the gelatin, get that all mixed up with your essential oils, and then the gelatin will evaporate over time, releasing the scent of the essential oils. I'm going to make this in an upcoming short, so be on the lookout for that. And that's it as far as the recipes. You also get stickers to put on any of your bottles and on top of your essential oils, just to make them easier to identify. I don't know about you, but me personally, sometimes if I make something and I don't label it, I have no idea what I actually put in the bottle. So this is a really nice kind of touch to have to kind of finish off your projects. There is also, they sent you a keychain that you can turn into a diffuser. So take this with you on the go. You just put it together however you want your beads to go, and then put the oil directly on the wood beads, and then that will, you know, help make your car smell better or keep your purse smelling fresh. So just a cute little project there. This would also make a great gift. I bet you can find all of these items at Michael's and easily make it, and then just add your own essential oils. So something to keep in mind for gift ideas for the upcoming holiday season. So that is everything that was in the box. There's lots of possibilities besides the recipes they send you. These essential oils will easily make more than the recipes call for. So you can kind of try them out with, some other oils and make your own blends and things like that as well. And it's just a good way to slowly build up your essential oil arsenal or essential oil collection instead of buying a whole bunch of oils at once. This way you're going to be getting 4 oils every month and also be given some ideas of how you can use them, which I think is a really great idea. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what came in this month's box. If you're interested in trying a recipe box for yourself, I'll have a link down below in my description box. And as always, take care and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.